Sitting right up there. That's what I came for. Good guys. What up, though? What up, though? Thanks for joining me again. You could be anywhere in the world, but you're here with me. And on today's video, we're going to the mall real quick, looking to find this Child's Play cereal, Good Guys cereal. Let's go see what we can find. Coming through Burlington Coat Factory real quick. I'm gonna go see what kind of socks they got in here. Walk through the shoe section real quick, see what they got. See something. These Russell Jones, I kind of like these. Yeah, I fucks with them Jones. No, might have to pick them up.
Please proceed to register 7. Por favor, pase a la caja 7.
Some Top Ramen joints. Like those. Yep. Okay, hold up. Let's see something. Twinkie. $1.99. Oh yeah, I need those. I think I'm gonna grab that. What else we got? Some Keith Haring joints. Let me see if I can grab those too. Like those. I know I'm just gonna go with these Keith Haring ones. The Twinkie joint. This mall, a lot of stores is closed. It's almost about to be one of those abandoned malls pretty soon. From the looks of it. Or at least the store I need is still in here. One of my favorite stores, FYA. Galaxy Burger. I don't know what this is. I don't know, maybe it's something new they're opening up. I'm not too sure. Unfortunately, it's not open now. Maybe next time we have to come back and check it out. Can't really tell what it is though. Here we are, FYA. Alright, what's going on? See what kind of socks they got going on over here real quick. Got a few. Like that, Pringles dope. Like that Coca-Cola. Like the noodles. Chucky. Well, we're tripping over rats. Say it already what I came for. No problem. Sitting right up there. That's what I came for. Good guys. Ren and Stimpy. So I think I might grab that too. Why not? See what else we got in here. Oh snap. Good guys energy boost. Back to the Future. Bob Ross. Duff. Godzilla. Donkey Waffle Mix. Shrek Swamp Soda. We're gonna have to try that also. Shrek and Fiona chocolate bars. Melon Kit Kat. Huh?
On Amazon, they have like a hat that says Thinking Cats. And that's what Dustin was wearing on.
Some kind of cereal. He said he was wearing that on there. Spicy noodles. I might have to try that. Down here, some Yu-Gi-Oh! Grayskull Crunch. I think I'll grab one of those too. Grayskull Crunch. Oh, I see something else. Some Care Bears. Grab a box of those also. Yeah, I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not gonna get any pops today. I'm gonna go ahead and check out, see what the damage is. We'll go from there. Talk to y'all in a minute. All right, I'm out of here. I'm excited. I got what I was looking for. My Child's Play cereal, so we'll see what it tastes like. Maybe in another video, but thanks for joining me today. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one. Holla at me.